In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sam's Club business credit card. To get started, the first thing you need is an active Sam's Club membership. This is required before you can apply for the business credit card, so if you are not already a member, go to the Sam's Club website and complete the membership sign up first. Make sure your membership is active and ready to use before moving on, because the application process depends on it. Once that is taken care of, gather all of your business information ahead of time. This will make the application much smoother and help you avoid delays. You should have your legal business name, business address, business phone number, employer identification number, if your business uses one, and your annual business income or revenue. In some cases, you may also be asked for personal identification information, so it is a good idea to have that available as well. Taking a minute to prepare these details in advance can save you time and reduce the chances of entering something incorrectly. Next, visit the Sam's Club credit card application page and look for the business credit card option. If you prefer, you can also apply in person at the member services desk inside a Sam's Club warehouse. The online method is usually the fastest, but both options can work depending on what is most convenient for you. When you reach the application, carefully fill it out using your business and personal information where requested. Go slowly and double check every entry before moving forward. Even small mistakes, like a typo in your business name or an incorrect address, can cause problems or delays during review. After that, review the terms and conditions carefully and submit your application for evaluation by Synchrony Bank. It is always a good idea to read through the key details so you understand what you are agreeing to before you send everything in. Once your application is submitted, the next step is to wait for a decision. Some applicants receive an instant response, while others may need to wait a little longer or provide additional documentation for further review. That part is normal, so do not worry if the decision is not immediate. If you are approved, your Sam's Club business credit card will be mailed to you. When it arrives, follow the activation instructions that come with the card before using it for any purchases. After activation, your card will be ready to use for your business spending. For